Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In today's video we're gonna show how to change LCD on K8 2017. It's an LG phone, so let's begin with steps. First of all, let's turn off the phone because in this case the touchscreen is working but the client wants only to change the LCD. So the first thing, we're gonna open the back, we're gonna take it off the back, the plastic, and after that we're gonna remove the battery. It's important in every phone that you're gonna work, it's important to remove the battery because everything can happen. So after this process we're gonna remove all the screws with a Phillips screw. Don't forget to remove the card, the SIM card. So after this process, removing the screw, we're gonna remove the back. To remove the back, you can use you can use metal or plastic. In my case, I'm using this thing. Playing guitar, as you guys say. Even if you push it like more with strength, no problem. If you break the screen more, is not a problem. So be careful. I think I forgot a screw. So let's see it. Yeah, I forgot it. So let's take this off. Please guys, don't forget the screw because you can ruin all the work. So be careful in details. I don't know why I'm forgetting this. Anyway, let's take the back off. And after this process, after taking the back, as you see in the video, we're gonna remove all the parts on this phone, from this phone, housing phone, and we're gonna put it in another phone. So because the LCD that we get is with a housing thing, so you're gonna watch the video and you're gonna see it how we can remove them. So let's remove all the parts by starting with the main part. But before that, we're gonna remove the cameras, front sorry, front and the back camera. You can use something plastic or metal to remove them. Just be careful, don't screw the connectors. To take off the speakers and the buzzer and everything else, the on off buttons, you have to use a little bit of the heat gun or maybe hair dryer to heat it up a little bit, and then you can remove them easily. So for this process I'm showing you how to remove them. Don't forget guys to subscribe and like the video. For any question or suggestion, comment down below. So we're gonna put all the stops that we take off from the old LCD, we're gonna put it again in this new LCD housing, and one by one. Don't skip the steps, don't miss them. So the first thing that we put is the speaker, ear speaker. and after this we're gonna put all the others one. So where are you going, my friend? As you see in the video, we put all together, and don't forget any part. The last parts are the cameras, so we put the camera, the back and the front camera, and I think it's ready. After this we put the LCD connector. I forgot something, guys, to say before closing the phone. You needed to we needed, let's say, for example, let's say we needed to test the LCD first. So don't forget to test the LCD before you close the whole thing. Give it a crack there, and I think it's ready. You already know what to do in the next steps, but we're going through these steps too. Let's turn on the phone, and let's test the phone. If the touch screen is working properly. In my case, it's working properly, so no worries for that. The way how to prove if the touchscreen is working good, you can put it in this way. You can try it, and it looks everything great. It looks everything okay. So let's turn off the phone, or maybe you won't turn it off. We're gonna put the screws one by one, and after this, just close the back, and it's already done. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and if you have any question or suggestion, comment down below. I'm improving in my English skills, and I hope you like the video. Thank you guys. See you in the next video after 1 day, 2 days. See you guys. Have a nice day and weekend. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.